Wall art may look like one of the most competitive categories on Etsy, but that's usually because most people are searching with broad keywords. Once you start digging deeper into specific art styles, you'll quickly realize that some design niches continue attracting buyers year after year. And in this video, I'll show you one of those hidden opportunities that works not only as a digital download, but also as a physical print-on-demand product. The best part is that you don't need to buy inventory, own a printer, or ship products yourself. So let's dive right in. The design style we'll be looking at today is inspired by Gustav Klimt wall art. Gustav Klimt's artwork is recognized for its rich decorative patterns, luxurious gold tones, elegant feminine figures, flowing organic shapes, and ornamental compositions. Rather than creating realistic paintings, this style blends symbolism with decorative art, producing artwork that feels both timeless and sophisticated. Today, many buyers search for artwork inspired by this aesthetic because it complements modern, vintage, bohemian, and luxury home decor. Now, before creating anything, I want to know whether buyers are actually purchasing this type of artwork. So I opened Etsy and searched for Gustav Klimt inspired wall art. To make the research more meaningful, I enabled the Alura extension. Once the Alura icon appears beside a listing, I can click it to view valuable information like estimated monthly sales, total revenue, and historical performance. After checking several listings, it becomes clear that this style continues attracting buyers throughout the year. Some shops have generated impressive revenue simply by creating artwork inspired by this decorative art style, and several of these shops haven't even been around for very long. That's an important reminder that you don't always have to chase the newest trend. Sometimes timeless artistic styles continue bringing in consistent demand because people are decorating new homes every day. Before we create the artwork, there's one important shift I want you to understand. Many creators stop after making digital downloads because they're easy to sell, but digital products usually have a lower selling price, meaning you often need more sales or a large collection of listings to increase your income. Now imagine taking that exact same artwork and also offering it as a physical framed poster or canvas print without printing or shipping anything yourself. Suddenly you're serving a completely different type of customer. Some buyers prefer downloading the artwork and printing it locally. The best part is that you're not creating two different designs. You're creating the artwork once, and a print-on-demand company handles everything for you. And that's exactly where Printify fits into this workflow. Once your artwork is finished, Printify makes it easy to transform your digital design into professional physical products. Instead of finding a printing company yourself, you simply upload your artwork to Printify, choose a white label product like a poster or canvas, and connect your online store. When someone places an order, Printify works with its fulfillment partners to print and ship the product directly to your customer. That means you can focus on creating artwork while Printify handles production and fulfillment behind the scenes. Now let's create the design using AI. For this example, I'm using Canva's Magic Media because it's beginner friendly. Before generating the artwork, I first created a descriptive prompt that captures the characteristics of this artistic style. A decorative Gustav Klimt inspired wall art design featuring elegant feminine portrait, luxurious gold leaf inspired ornamental patterns, flowing botanical elements, intricate geometric details, rich emerald green, deep navy blue, warm gold, cream and bronze color palette, symbolic Art Nouveau composition, highly decorative background, painterly texture, premium gallery quality wall art, original artwork inspired by the decorative style, not a copy of any existing painting. Once my prompt was ready, I opened a new Canva project using a 2:3 aspect ratio, launched Magic Media, pasted the prompt, selected the image format, and generated the artwork. The results immediately captured the decorative feel that makes this style so recognizable. I then experimented with additional prompts to produce different variations. After testing different prompt combinations, I created well over 100 unique prompt variations capable of generating artwork within this same design style. To save you the time of building these prompts yourself, I created a complete wall art starter pack that includes over 600 AI prompts, professionally designed wall art mockups, thank you pages, sizing guides, and SEO resources to help you create and list your artwork much faster. And as always, a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for helping make these resources possible. Now that the artwork is complete, we will need to upscale it to avoid pixelation. So to do this, I recommend increasing the image resolution using Let's Enhance. After enhancing the image, I uploaded it into Printify. Once my store was connected, I selected a premium poster product, clicked Start Designing, imported the artwork, adjusted the placement, and generated the final product mockups. Printify also provides default product information to help speed up the listing process. Even better, Printify's AI tools can assist with creating optimized product titles, descriptions, and searchable keywords, making it easier to prepare your listing before publishing. Once everything looked good, I published the listing directly to my store, and just like it you have a physical product. If you found this tutorial helpful and you'd like access to my complete Gustav Klimt-inspired prompt collection, along with hundreds of additional wall art prompts, you'll find everything linked in the description below. They can help you spend less time experimenting with prompts and more time creating products for your store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.